Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's getting pretty cold outside. It's still tolerable in here, but the colder it gets, the harder it is to work out here in the workshop. So what I did is I got a electric garage heater. So this is the King ECO2S heater. I'm going to give it a try. Show you guys around this thing, and we'll get it installed and tested. So the front of the heater has some adjustable louvers on the front and a digital display. And controls, and it also comes with a remote, so we'll see how that works. Basic dimensions of the unit: the front width is right about 15 inches. The height of this thing is about 16.5, and the depth is about 13.5. Here's the back view of the unit. You can see the fan, some of the labels here, if you need any data off of that. I don't know how much you can see. And I think there what's poking out is the temperature sensor for the unit. This is the remote that came with it. It works really well all the way across the workshop, no problem. This allows you to adjust the temperature up and down. Start stop is on and off, and then it's got several modes. You can put it in a heat mode or cool mode in the summer so it doesn't heat, and it's also got a timer where you could set it to run a certain time period, like 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. So it works great. Has the instructions on the back that explain how it works. So really good remote. It also comes with this bracket that can be mounted either on the ceiling or on the wall, either way. So I think in my installation here, I'm going to go with the wall mounting. It's going to work out better for me. Here's a quick shot of the box that it came in and the specs on the unit. Basically, they're saying 7,500 watts. It'll heat an area of 700 square feet, a 2-car garage. So my workshop's, a little over 20 by 20, so a little over 400 square feet. The only thing is it's not insulated, so we'll see how this works in a non-insulated space. So I got the unit installed. Everything's wired. I used 8.2 Romex to go over to the panel. Really short run, and I've got a 40 amp 2-pole breaker in there. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. See what happens. Alright, so she's running. Temperature is, I got it set at 90. So we'll see what happens. It's we'll give it about an hour and see how it does heating. Right now it's 38 degrees in the workshop, so we'll see what it gets to in about an hour. Heater's been running over an hour now, and if we look at the bench here, we're about 54 degrees. The heater itself, I don't know if you can see it on the display, is showing 56. The heater itself doesn't get hot, which is nice. I can touch it, it's cool to the touch. If I shoot it with the thermometer here, it's around 60 degrees. On the sides here, 53. The coils do get really hot. Let's see what they're at. You can see at 355. It's close to 400 degrees on the coils. They don't glow or anything. So far so good. I'm going to let it run. We'll see at the 2-hour mark what happens. If all goes good, I'll tidy up this wire, make it look neater. I did want to leave a little slack so I can turn it left and right if I need to, or up and down. So let's let it go for the 2-hour mark and see how hot it gets. A little over 2 hours, and the temperature, I don't know if you can see it on the display, has gotten up to 59 degrees in the workshop. So that's actually way more than I was hoping for. That's fine. It's really comfortable at this temperature, so looks like it works. So definitely the King ECO2S garage heater works well. You know, for this size of a garage, like I said again, it's not insulated. There's a lot of air gaps, and I was kind of optimistic if it would work or not, but looks like it's going to work. So I'm going to, you know, tuck up the wires and everything and complete the installation. So thanks for watching, and definitely subscribe and tune in for future. I'll have reviews too, as well as quite a few projects going on. All right, thank you, and see you soon.